I bring some of my bananas for pasalubong. Okay guys. Terus ate siya na imong bagya na sige. Ipiit lang siya ate. Just only parking there. Okay, this way. That's the house. Okay. It's very heavy, the banana. Yes. It's raining, that's why it's not fun here. So now I am here to my friend. Hi Jennifer! I am now here. Hoy, of course. Okay, Roy, parihat na daghan. Walay ligo.
Hoy, nagtawar ako doon, mga guwapa.
Yeah, pero buyag.
Guwapa ka na nila.
Okay, we're done chika-chika na, so we are going home. Hey, it's raining. With my two daughters, my bodyguard.
May pa sila kay Hapsay kay Manaw. Ako adjoy pang
Hoy, okay na Jin. Hello guys, after visiting my friends, we are now here in the market place. Alas, some vegetables here.